Hello guys, this is Ali Imran Bhatti and Geology with Ali Imran Bhatti. Our topic is igneous rock. Igneous rocks are formed by cooling or solidification of molten material magma. What is magma? Magma is liquid product of rocks. Magma is hot and viscous. It comes from greater depth or magma chambers. Magma chambers located at 50 to 250 km from the earth and rises towards earth's surface and called lava. लावा हम इसलिए इनको कहते हैं क्योंकि इनमें कुछ ऐसे वॉलेटाइल मटेरियल्स होते हैं, कुछ ऐसी गैसेस होती हैं जो कि बाहर अर्थ सरफेस पे निकल कर आती हैं और उस टाइम वो वहाँ से रिमूव हो जाती हैं, तो इसलिए हम इसे लावा कहते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ मैग्मा. एसिड मैग्मा. नंबर 1. एसिड मैग्मा इज रिच इन सिलिकॉन, सोडियम, पोटाशियम एंड पुअर इन कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, फेरियम. नंबर 2. Basic magma. Basic magma is rich in calcium, magnesium, ferrium and poor in silicon, sodium, potassium. Composition of igneous rock. The composition of igneous rocks depends upon the composition of magma. Acid igneous rock. Acid igneous rocks are light in color, low in specific gravity and have high proportion of minerals like quartz, feldspar and mica. Basic igneous rock. Basic igneous rocks are dark in color, high in specific gravity and are rich in minerals like augite, hornblende, plagioclase and iron ore. On the basis of their silica content, igneous rocks are divided into 4 groups. Ultra basic rock. These contain less than 45% silica. Example, peridotite. Basic rock. These contain silica between 45 to 55%. Example, basalt. Intermediate rock. These contain silica between 55% to 65%. Example, diorite. Acid rock. These contain silica more than 65%. Example, granite. Texture of igneous rock. Texture means the size, shape and arrangement of minerals grain in the rock. Aphanitic texture. In this texture we cannot see grains. Its rate of cooling is fast, found at surface of earth. Example, basalt. Phaneritic texture. In this texture we can see grains. Its rate of cooling is slow, found at greater depth. Example, granite. Porphyritic texture. In this texture, large grains is surrounded by small grains. 2 phases of cooling, intrusive phase and extrusive phase. In intrusive phase, large grains is produced. In extrusive phase, small grains is produced. Example, diorite. Glassy texture. Without any crystallization, the rock is said to be glassy. Example, obsidian. Classification of igneous rock. On the basis of their texture and composition, igneous rocks are classified into 3 groups. Number 1. Plutonic rock. Number 2. Volcanic rock. Number 3. Hypobasal rocks or subvolcanic rocks. Plutonic rocks are formed when magma cools or crystallizes at greater depth. Volcanic rocks are formed when magma erupts and cools or crystallizes on Earth's surface. Hypobasal rock or subvolcanic rock are formed at shallow depth. Types of igneous rock. Granite, rhyolite, obsidian is felsic, diorite, andesite, intermediate, gabbro, basalt, mafic, peridotite, ultramafic. So here we have a table. Volcanic rock or extrusive rock. Rhyolite, andesite, basalt is volcanic rock. Its texture is aphanitic. On the other side, we have plutonic rocks or intrusive rock. Granite, diorite, gabbro or plutonic rocks, and their texture is phaneritic texture. So thank you very much.